Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today it's really exciting day. We are going to strain Ribwort Plantain Infused Honey. So if you remember a couple of months ago, I was making the plantain infused honey. You can refer to the link above or I leave it also in the description below. And now it's been about 3 months and check this out. So I'm gonna get rid of the plantain and keep the honey only, and this will be my cough and cold medicine for winter months. Usually I make this with sugar, but I wanted to get rid of the sugar version and do something else instead. So I made it with honey. And I kept this jar in the cupboard, and if you remember, I put 2 jars into the ground. And why? Because it's a tradition. I didn't find the reason why, but many people, when I was checking YouTube videos, do this, and I was thinking, it is exciting. I want to do something like that. So I am keeping 2 smaller jars into the ground, and today we will go to my garden and get them out. I don't know what to expect because obviously I could keep eye on this one and shake it regularly and making sure nothing is floating on the top. So I hope I'm not gonna find them moldy, but let's see. I don't know. So exciting times. With honey, it's amazing. No matter how hard you try, everything will be sticky anyway. So I've got my first jar done, and I get rid of this. You can see how it changed color. And now let's go to the garden. It's really windy outside, so I hope you will hear everything okay. But let's see what the other 2 glasses are doing. Okay, so here is the scene of crime. I had to put some sticks so I remember where it is, and let's see inside. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and let me dig a bit deeper. Okay, so I managed to get them. Check them out. Obviously it's dirty, but it looks okay to me. It's sort of crystallized. So let me give it a good wash, and I will show you in the kitchen. Woohoo! Let's have a closer look. So I washed the jars. Apologies, they are not clean. You can see the bit of stickers from the previous honey. But it looks all good. I can't see no mold on the top. It's crystallized at the bottom, both of them. And it looks pretty good to me. So I'm gonna open it now. Hopefully I washed it properly. Okay, I still need to wash it around these bits, but it looks all good. Look at this. So I'm gonna strain it as well, and I will have plantain infused honey right from the mother nature. This is what it looks like, the one which has been buried in the ground, and this one was in the cupboard. And what I'm gonna do now, I've got also dried stinging nettle seeds, and I'm gonna mix the seeds with this honey which was in the ground for super winter booster. Nettle seeds are in, and I'm gonna just mix it properly. And that's it. I'm not sure how about you, but I seem to be winter ready. This is super immune system booster. And let me take 1 teaspoon already. I feel so strong now. All done. So you can take this whenever you feel you're coming down with something, you've got cold, you've got cough, you know, the winter horrible stuff. So this is on the side, and you can put it in your porridge. You can just take a teaspoon whenever. You can put it in your yogurt, whatever you want. So I hope you will stay nice and healthy during winter time. I hope you find it useful. Please hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends and family, spread some love, leave me some comments. Do you use Ribwort Plantain Infused Honey? Do you use also nettle seeds? Is it your first time? Are you gonna try it? I'm really curious to know. And that's it. From my hand to your hand. Bye until next time.